What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today you were going to do another Alt hotkey tip, and that is going to be to quickly change your formatting options without having to go and manually select which one you want. So, like usual, let's hop right into it. Usually one of the more frequent ones that I use, if you just have a number right off the bat, it puts it at general right away. Let's say you want the dollar sign in front of it real quickly. Alt, as in all the other videos, opens up your Alt hotkey. We're sticking with the Home tab, so let's click H, and then we're going to do N, and see it highlights blue the entire word, so general is highlighted, and we're going to do accounting. And literally you just type the A button and it automatically fills it in for you, hit enter, and you're done. If you want to do currency, type a C, currency, you're done. Just visually how you like it. Pick the one that looks best to you. So that is accounting or currency. Next one is going to be a date. So I'm going to put it in a date format right away and convert it back to general. So if you have a huge list of dates, and that's okay. We're going to stick with, just pretend all these are a bunch of different dates. So Control Shift down, highlights them all. Short date is usually a good format, so Alt H and short date. Boom, you're done. If you do a long date, there you go. Short date just looks a lot better in Excel, and there's that. So let's do another one real quick. Sometimes you may need to use text, and let's say you have a number and for some reason there's zeros in the beginning of the number and you need to do 00123. Well, if you hit enter, it's just going to put it in general. It's going to remove all the zeros. So we're going to do Alt H and T E for text, and then type your 00123. It keeps the zeros in the front. So to get to the formatting section, again, it's Alt, and then we're at the Home, and then N. So Alt H, N. I did it so quick it didn't even pop up there. So Alt H, and then the letter N, as in Nancy. So appreciate y'all checking out the video. Please like and subscribe and drop a comment. It'd be much appreciated. Hope y'all guys enjoyed it. Y'all have a great day.